Let's do some pandas. Duplicate HR department employees. This question appeared in an Amazon interview. In this question, they're asking, you have been asked to find employees in the HR department and then output the result with one duplicate. The employee's first name and department should be included in your output. Note, this dataset does not contain any duplicates. So I know the wording is a little bit confusing, but essentially what they're asking here is, give us all the employees from the HR department and then give me a duplicate of each of those records. So for example, if you have 4 records, the output will be 8 records because you will have a duplicate of every single row that you have in HR department. So let's begin. So we're going to be doing this in Pandas. I just did a solution of this in SQL and PySpark. So let's go. Import Pandas as PD. As always, we always import our Pandas library, and let's explore the dataset. As you can see, we have 6 columns here, and we are only concerned with the people in HR department, right? So what I'm going to do here is, let's create a data frame here with the people just from the HR department. So it will be equals HR. This will give me a series. Let's wrap this in our worker data frame, and this will give me all the columns pertaining to people from HR department. And there you have it. You have 4 records here, and essentially now they're asking, okay, so we have this worker ID 1, give me one more, then give me one more of 3, give me one more of 10. So one more duplicate each of these records. So 4 records right now, we will have 8 records in our output. So how can we do that in Pandas? It's a very simple approach. In Pandas, we use something called concat. Cat function can take multiple data frames and will give you duplicated output. So let me show you that concat function here. So worker, let's save that in this data frame here, and let's do worker.concat. I think it's pd.concat. So pd.concat, and now we're going to supply our list of data frames here. So worker and worker. Why worker and worker? Because obviously we need a duplicated row, right? So let's run this, and we have 8 records now. But essentially they're only asking for 2 columns here. So let's do, you know what? I can just do that here. Instead of having all the columns here, let's select the first name and the department, because they're only asking for 2 columns here, first name and department, right? So let's run this again, and we have 8 records here, and I think that's the right answer. Perfect. Pretty simple approach. I used pd.concat method or function, whatever you want to call it, and then inside that I gave a list of data frames. I needed 2 data frames here because I had a worker, and then I need a duplicate of that, so that's why I gave one more, and that's it.